bugs are hot. Hi, yes, do you see me? I learned English quickly because I know the magic trick by doing this.
Wow!
Do you want to learn it with me? Here we go! As I will teach you how to learn English fast. But first, you have to click some like for me, subscribe my channel, and click some the bell button. This is the magic. Oh! The magic, you have to know all the sounds of the letter in the ABC. Now let's repeat after me. This is letter A. A sound A. This is letter B. B sound B. This is letter C. C sound C. This is letter D. D sound D. This is letter E. E sound F. This is letter F. F sound F. This is letter G. G sound G. This is letter H. H sound F. This is letter I. I sound E. This is letter J. J sound J. This is letter K. K sound K. This is letter L. L sound L. This is letter N. N sound M. This is letter N. N sound N. This is letter O. O sound up. This is letter P. P sound P. This is letter Q. Q sound Q. This is letter R. R sound R. This is letter S. S sound S. This is letter T. T sound T. This is letter U. U sound U. This is letter V. V sound W. This is letter W. W sound W. This is letter X. X sound Z. This is letter Y. Y sound Z. This is letter Z. Z sound Z. Do you get it, guys? First, you need to know its sound. Now, if you know ABC, let's sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job, guys. Now we will learn these letters one by one. Okay. Again. Case. Okay. This is how you spell kids. Case. 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 L sound L. E sound E. G sound G. Egg. 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 Leg. 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 Show me again. Leg. Do you see this? Wait. Do you see this? Do you see that? Like this.
Hey!
Do you see that? And like this. Do you see my
Wow!
leg? And like this. Do you see my leg? Do you see my leg? Do you see my leg? Map. See? Map. This is how we read. Map. See, it's so easy. sound N, E sound S, S sound S, T sound T, S, S, the S, nest, nester, nester. See, it's not bat. It's not just like mud. I don't know how to speak mud. Hey. This is letter O. O sound off. Off. So ox. Off. So ox. This is how I read quickly. I learned all the letters first, all of you, and all the sounds. If you remember all the letter sounds, you will read easily.
Wow.
Easy. If you know all of them, you cannot. You just tell your teacher, bye. I want to stop learning. Just go sleep. See, done. Do you like my video? Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.